recording. I have hiccups. She's got the hiccups. She's got them. Yeah. It's probably one of the funniest things to record in the world. Yeah. They're gone. They're gone.